I'm in Ponsavan province in northern Laos with the aim of trying to detect unexploded ordnance. And here's a few here. The smallest of which is a bombi, which is it comes in two halves, and when it explodes it opens up and small ball bearings come out. The aim of today's experiment is to try and detect bombis in a very magnetic, over at the top of a very magnetic rock type. This is a rare earth magnet, and you can see how this rare earth magnet is sticking to these Mag-Hematite units, which you find around Ponsavan. So the aim is to distinguish between a Mag-Hematite unit and something like a bombi, or even the larger bombs here, which are all magnetic. So today's exercise is to assemble a UXO detection system, which is over here. This is designed to be very lightweight and portable, and to fit into the back of a standard vehicle or four-wheel drive. It's got 4 magnetic flux gate sensors with a data acquisition system here. It can actually cater for 8 sensors, but at the moment it's configured for 4 sensors. This is designed as a towed cart system and will go onto wheels. So it can be towed behind the operator and have a total width of 4.5 metres. These are larger wheels. Today we'll be assembling with smaller wheels because unfortunately I haven't been able to source another large wheel. Right, I'll show you the assembly of this. This is designed to be quick, lightweight, portable, and to go together very easily. Okay? Yep. These are designed to fit together very quickly and easily with a locking pin, which could be a nylon bolt, or in this case I'm just using a very cheap, quick, easy chopstick with rubber band. So that's that one. The next section is the main wheels at the back. These are on aluminium rods, axles, and they also simply just slide together with a locking pin and rubber band to hold it in place. Front boom connects on, exactly the same technique, slides in, these ones here are designed as braces, which hold the boom a little bit more rigid. Yet again, they're very quick and easy. We have one more pin up in here which holds these two together, and they have a nylon locator underneath them, and that keeps the whole frame fairly rigid. These are all insulated joins, so we don't end up with any induced fields forming triangles. Now for wheels, today we use the small wheels. They slide over there with locking pins on the end. locking pins just slide through. The same, and literally the same rubber band holding on technique. And that's it, boom assembled. In this configuration we have 4 sensors which are 800mm apart, giving us a total boom width of 2.4 metres. So we have coverage of about 2.5 metres per pass. The battery life in the data acquisition system is 1.5 hours of data logging, and the data is logged to a USB stick inside. We have a RTK GPS system which has an accuracy of less than 10 centimetres, so that gives us very good accuracy for our UXO locations. That's about it. Thank you very much.